guys have been asking for a new episode, and since I have September break right now, I decided to make apple pie. And it is apple season. So this is about 10 apples. I already cut them and sliced them, so just to save time. And I put lemon in it so it doesn't brown. And just to tell you, if once you put these apples in your pie and bake it, it's gonna shrink. So just remember how big you want them to be. Okay, I cut all the apples. It's really, really heavy. So over here I have some sugar, 2/3 cup of sugar. It's actually brown sugar mixed with normal sugar, because I heard if brown sugar gives it a better taste, so I'm trying it out. And I also have 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm gonna dump this back in. Okay, that's a lot. Gotta get the bits out. So okay, this is harder than I expected. Mix this until it's well blended. Then you just wait 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, so at medium heat, we're gonna melt the butter. Then put the apples in to caramelize it. Okay, so as you can see, I already put most of the apples in. I actually cut a little more, so I'm gonna do 2 patches. The apples are ready when it's a little transparent, but when it's still the same color, it's not ready yet, depending on how you want it to be. Right?
What is same color?
Well, still white. The same color in the beginning, where it's still fresh and uncooked. So wait until your filling cools down, then you can transfer it into your pie crusts. And for the pie crust, I bought 2 store-bought 9-inch pie. Okay, so preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and you can then put the pie in and cook it for about 25 minutes. And as you can see, I put about tin foil around the edges so the edges won't burn. Well, this is my apple pie. Remember, if you want, you can add any kind of ice cream on top of it to make a good apple pie. Bye!